In the setup menu, you can see that you have your depth meter section. This is only relevant to the AXVIEW V software and not for the AXVIEW E software. You can see that you have the option of selecting to view your diver's temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit depending on your requirements. Below this, you will see the Diver 1 depth options. Firstly, you need to input into the address window the last two numbers on your AXC57i smart camera or AX depth sensor, i.e. 42 or 06, etc. You then need to select the Diver 1 selection tab. This will turn green as indicated. Below this you will see another address window. This only needs to be entered and selected if you are using the AX Depth D, which is a dual depth sensor for added redundancy. Below this you will see the actual absolute pressure. This is the pressure of the sensor under the water. By using this value and the value of the atmospheric pressure, the system can give your diver's actual depth in real time to an accuracy range of between 4 to 12 inches. You can see that Diver 2 is a mirror image of Diver 1. In between the divers you can see that there is a reset communication button. This is used to reset the diver's depth information to confirm the function of the sensors along with a use the previous value button. When selected, it will automatically use the previous value when first started. This will help in knowing the diver's depth if the system loses power, and once restarted you can just use this feature and it will give you your diver's depth. In the audio window you can see a mute deco alarm button. When selected, it will silence the deco alarm. This option is up to the user as to if they want to silence this feature. There will be a pop-up window along with an audible alarm for the deco alarms. Beside this you have the audio in, start and stop buttons. If you have your communication system connected to the unit via the audio in RCA connector on the unit, you will be able to not only listen to the diver's communication on your computer system, but you will also be able to record your audio along with your video to your computer. The window beside this is for you to input the name of your printer if required. The video window is a useful feature for you to be able to change the video quality of your images and the way in which they are saved. You are able to select the duration of each video file. We recommend a maximum of 60 minutes, but this is entirely up to you. You can see that you can change the image quality to whichever you desire. Currently with standard, it saves to around 1 GB per hour of data to your hard drive. Naturally, the more you increase the image quality, the more the data will be stored. You also have the option to split screen the diver's images, or to monitor them individually, when having two diver systems connected to the one computer. The window beside this is for AXSUB use only. Above this in the window, it will indicate the amount of storage space currently available on your computer's system, along with how much has been used. This is displayed in both a visual graph and also digitally for you to view. Below this is the activation window. This is used when you wish to upgrade your system to use the other features I will discuss later. When you purchase a system, the software available will only allow you to access the feature in the video window and the setup window. Each of the other features needs to be requested when placing your purchase or after the purchase has been made. It is very simple. Once you know what you would like, we will give you a code number. You will then enter it in the activation number window here. Press enter, then quit the program and open it up again, and whichever features you wanted to have will now be available to you. For the on-screen display, you can enter any text that you wish to be displayed and recorded on the screen. This could be the diver's name, the task they are conducting, or important information, etc. What you must remember to do each time you change the text is to select the refresh button. You can select whichever information you would like to be displayed on the on-screen display, being either the text inputted below, the date, the hour, the depth, or the bottom time. As you can see, when selected they will turn from red to green. The on-screen information can be viewed also on an external viewing source, such as the television, when connected via the video out encoder RCA connector on the unit. The 4 remaining windows are additional options and can be purchased before or after you make your initial purchase of the unit.